Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download an app for your HORI Force Feedback control system. So first, what you guys want to do is basically type in the browser. So go into the browser. Now here, let's make it like that. And here type the HORI Force Feedback Track Control System app. And we need to visit the first site, which is the HORI UK. So now click it, and here we have the HORI Device Manager. And now let's click download. Here we want to download this version right here. And now here, let's click download HORI Device Manager. Here we have an app. So as you guys can see, we will have this warning. Even though we know that we can trust this app, the Windows just said that it's protected our PC. I'm gonna run it anyway. And here we have the entire setup. So now all we got to do is click next. Here select the folder where you want your destination to be, and here click install. So now it might take some time. So I'll see you guys once it's done. So now after the installation is complete, let's click finish, and here click on the HORI Device Manager Volume 2. Now we need to give it some time, and here we have the app. So here we have the HORI Track Control System that is connected, and the control system shifter. So as you guys can see, we can change the calibration. We can go into the first gear, now second, now third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, and now the reverse. So as you guys can see, we can check everything here, like the operation check. So we can see what are we doing. As you guys can see, I'm changing it, and it's also changing in the app. And here we have our steering wheel. So starting off, we have the output range settings, also the dead zone settings, sensitivity, analog stick and D-pad, and center for calibration. Here we can also restore the settings to default. Here we have the force feedback settings, and a lot more. Also the pedals. And that's basically it. This is how you guys can download the app. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.